Okay guys, another unboxing here. I'm in a kind of a buying craziness. This is another sale from Amazon and I just couldn't resist. Let's see, because actually I don't have any watch of this brand. So it came in Amazon Prime. It's heavily discounted. So we have an Orient. Let's see. Looks like a note stock. The box is a bit booklet. Nice little box of Orient. So that's it. This is the famous Orient Bambino. Let's have a look. This is a very classic watch. It's nice, quite nice. See? Tag number. What else? Comes with a nice pillow. What we got here? Another international guarantee blue booklet. Let's put it all here. So this is an automatic Orient watch. Quite nice. Quite nice. This is smaller. It's a 40 millimeter, but it is smaller than I thought. Using the other unboxing that I had today. Let's take it off. Put here. Yeah, it's nice. Nice little watch, actually. Very nice. Very cool. The strap is it's leather, but it's a bit stiff. So automatic. So if I it's nice crown action. See, it's already going. That's cool. Supposedly it's hacking. Let's see. Let's see if it is. If it hacks. Yes, it does hack. So this is the Bambino second generation, second versions that has the movement that hacks. So it's fine. Okay, thank you guys.